Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sangria red wine. Start by chilling 1 bottle of dry red wine and slicing oranges, lemons, and apples for infusion. Add 1/4 cups sugar, a splash of brandy, and a sweet soda if you like bubbles. Stir gently, taste, and adjust sweetness or citrus brightness. Let the mixture macerate for at least 2 hours for best flavor development. Choose fruits that release juice but hold shape like oranges, lemons, and apples for a pleasing texture. Combine citrus segments with berries or stone fruit when in season for variety. Add a splash of brandy or orange liqueur to boost complexity and a few sprigs of mint for aroma. Taste as you go and balance sweet, tart, and boozy notes until the sangria sings. Muddle fruit gently to free juices while keeping pieces intact for a beautiful presentation. Stir in sugar and spirits until dissolved, and then pour the chilled wine over the fruit. Avoid adding ice to the pitcher to prevent dilution. Instead, chill and add ice to individual glasses. Garnish with fresh citrus slices and herbs, and serve with a ladle so guests can get both liquid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.